Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Immuno 150. Okay, you should buy this product. Is this product FDA approved or not, or does it really work? If it will work, how much time it will take to give you results? So in this video we will cover lots of information. Okay, so first of all, if we talk about this brand, Immuno 150 is a very popular brand, and you can see over here they are approx, you can see immuno150.com 10 years from now. It means the brand is approx 10 years old. Okay, and in the period of 10 years they have lots of product on their official website, and this is their official website. On their official website they have mentioned each and everything, like their phone number and their contact information, their product details, each and everything they have provided. So in the terms of presentation, in the terms of legitness, the brand is 100% legit. Okay, and if we talk about the product, basically Immuno 150 is a immune related product. Basically there is a 150, you can say, like ingredient, like nutrition values or minerals, and there are so many things which are totally count 150. Okay, so you can see over here these are the things you will get when you can say, like when you buy this product. Okay, so vitamins, minerals, calcium, herbal complex, and you can see like there are flaxseed powder, there are so many things. So basically this is a complete nutrition values product. Okay, so when you use this product, and after a period of time like approx 1 month or 2 months, and you can like or 3 months, if you use the product consistently, you will get amazing results. Like your immune system will strong, and you will feel more energetic, and it will provide, you can like energy overall your body, immune, mind. It will relax your mind. So there are so many benefits of using the product. Okay, so you can take this supplement, but don't try to, you can expect results within 1 week or 2 weeks. It will take time. Okay, so this is a really good supplement, and this is a complete, you can we can say like complete supplement food, we can say. Okay, so if we talk about like, is this product FDA approved or not? No, definitely no. The product is not approved by FDA. You can see over here Immune 50 is not approved by FDA, because FDA does not need you can approval on these kind of product, because this is a dietary supplement, and on dietary supplements FDA is not going to provide any kind of, you can things. All the things related to dietary and all, the brand should take these kind of decisions. Okay, and thus dietary supplement are regulated as food. Manufacturers are responsible for ensuring the product are safe. Okay, so these are the things. Now if we talk about how to take this supplement, basically you need to take 1 capsule per day. Okay, you can take 1 capsule per day, and this is good enough. And if you have any kind of medical conditions, then you can say you need to contact your doctor, and they will guide you, you should use this product or not. Okay, so you can take 1 capsule in the morning and 1 capsule in the evening. That is enough for you. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And there are some also suggestions, like you can take 5 capsules per day also, but these, you can these doses are only for some people, but the 2 capsules, like 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening, is good for you. Okay, and you will get good results, and after 2 or 3 months, okay, after 1 month you can see lots of change. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any questions, you can make a comment, I will reply you very soon. And bye bye, take care.